Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to be looking at how to set up a coupon code on Etsy. And yesterday I did a video about sales on Etsy. Coupon codes are another option for discounts on Etsy using their marketing tab. So let's go into my Etsy shop and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're in the marketing tab. And again, you go to marketing, sales and discounts, and then it'll bring this page up and go to create a promo code for coupons. With coupon codes, you can do a percentage off, free standard shipping, or a fixed amount off, which would be a dollar amount or euros or whatever currency you use. So for free standard shipping and fixed amount off, these are the ones that you basically can't do specific listings. So I'll show you if you choose this, and we're going to put test 2 and review and edit. Then that's it. It's free standard shipping. And if it goes over priority, I think that you still have to do free shipping, but it just depends on the weight that you're putting in for your listings. Let's go back, and it's the same thing for a fixed amount off. Let's say we're giving them $5 off each order. It's the whole shop. So you can't choose what listings to do. If you put a percentage off, you can choose the listings and you can choose whatever percentage you want. So let's say 15% off. And if you do number of items, I'm not sure what it does with that. Let me see, review and confirm. Okay, so if you put limitations on it, it's the same as the sale. Any kind of limitations of the order minimums, that's going to put it on the whole shop also. However, you can just put no limitation. So people could buy one thing or 10 things, continue, and then you can put things on sale individually. So here you can either choose like a full section that the coupon will be good for, or just search for something and see what happens. So you can choose individual, just click on this, it'll put it in the sale. And that coupon will only be good on the items that you choose. But the only way you can do that, remember, is a percentage off, no order minimums, and that's it. If you do the free standard shipping or fixed amount, it's going to be on your whole shop no matter what. And if you put any kind of restrictions on the order minimums, it's going to be the full shop. So just keep that in mind. But that's basically how you set up a coupon. So we're going to say continue when you're done setting it up, and then you click review and confirm. And it says, here's your information. Take a look at that. And it'll tell you how many listings are included. If everything looks good, just confirm and create the code. Now, I do not think that Etsy sends these discounts to people who have like favorited your shop, but they are getting more aggressive about sending them out. So they might. There is one kind of coupon that they do send out kind of on a frequent basis to people. I'm going to go over that next. It's the targeted offers. But in the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.